Dun dun. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I bring a very cool and very new product for you. It's from this brand called Onexplayer, and this is the gaming computer for hardcore players. So as I mentioned, this is one sentence to describe the product. First, this is a gaming controller. It's a handheld product, and also is a computer. So it's a gaming computer for the product devices, and also is focused on the hardcore gamers. So this product today we got is the Onexplayer2 2-in-1, not only for gaming but also for work. Gaming computer, and today I'm going to talk on the specifications and the main features about this device. And here is the box, and here I showed you what's inside this box. Here is the this is the handheld, and it's a detachable gaming handheld, game controller. Left and right it supports left and right detachable controller, and after we remove the controller, here is it's like a pro edition laptop or a pad, because it's very heavy and very thick. We can find that the size is the screen is 8.4 inch, and the display resolution is 2.5K, and it have a very high specification on the screen, and also the display performance is pretty good. It's 2560 by 1600, and it's an IPS screen, and also the pixel density is 355 ppi, and also it supports 100 and sRGB colors. And yeah, it's for in overall it's a 2.5 screen. It's pretty nice, and this is the main body of the computer or the gaming controller, and this is the left and right controller of the device. It can be used as a normal controller, or used as a normal the gaming pad, but also it can be attachable to the computer to use it as a handheld. And here we can find that it's like have a very very familiar design, just like the normal joypad. Here is the joysticks, direction buttons, X, Y, A, B buttons, and here is the Xbox, because it's the Windows 11, and it's just like it can turn on the Xbox game bars, and so this is a shortcut of the Xbox key, and also this is the back key, and also the LED light key, and also the start key, and this is the mode key. You can switch from different modes, and this is a powerful and multiple functions controller. Here left T, left T and left B, left T, right B and right T buttons, and I can show you how to attach it. Yeah, I can fix this to the main body of the gaming computer. Yeah, it's very easy. And now we can find that this device is very beautiful and very big size. Yeah, so this is part of controllers, and also besides the functions of these controllers, we can find that here in the up of this controller, and here's the power button, and here the home key and the keyboard key. We can press it. Yeah, now can wake up the keyboard, and here's tempo key. We can, when we press this, we get a interface like this, very attractive color frame. One X player, we can see adjust the performance from the basic to the highest 28 watt, and GPU frequency has real high graphic game mode, low, medium, high, and CPU max status. Now it's already 100, and fan speed. Yeah, we can now hear the voice of the sound. In the vibration settings, you can get different kind of give really great gaming feedback from this. Also the resolution, and also the one key and brightness, or the volume. Yes, so this is pretty nice with this button. Yeah, also the start key, a different mode key. Yeah, the LED keys, and also in the front side over here, also you can find a 3.5 mm earphone head jack, and the Type C and USB-C, also the SD card, and also it's the outlet. And when we go to the button, we can find that is the stereo speaker, because this handheld is support the Harman Kardon stereo speaker sound, and also the charging dot, and also the magnetic connection here. And we go to the back as well, and here is the outlet, is inlet. Yes, the air will go from here and then out from here. It's also support the smart cooling system as well for the Onexplayer2, and also here we can find it's a very nice, convenient design. We can adjust this to put it on your desk, on your place you want to play. Yeah, so this is the kickstand, very nice and very convenient design, and also Harman Kardon audio EFX is supported, also the second generation. Yeah, and this key, this is the buttons are the keys for the lock the controllers. Yeah, so this is all the functions, basic functions and buttons functions introduction about this device. Actually, like it so much. It's very big, and we can also go to the settings to check the specification about the device, because this time the power of this powerful gaming computer provided the flagship certifications. The professors use the AMD Radeon 6800U, and also the graphics. You also use the AMD Radeon as well, and also the Wi-Fi 6E. Wi-Fi 6E is supported, and support USB 4.0, and also the joystick use their own algorithm. It's very nice, and also it's about built-in 6-axis sensitive, because the screen is support the 4069 grade force sensing. It can work with the Surface Pen. When we remove this and use this connect to the keyboard, it can use it as a laptop, and also it's a laptop or your pad. Yes, and also beside this, we can find that this actually for this device is very. It's a bit heavy. I don't know how to say. Not very, but it's a bit heavy, and the size is also big, because this time they provide 17,100 big batteries with 65.5 watt fast charging, and I can find that the cable and the charger is the fiber cable Type C, Type C, and also the charger is a good quality charger, and this charger is to provide 100 GNA, yeah, fast charging. So it's only support maximum to 65.5 watt fast charging, but the charger is very powerful. It's pretty cool. Yes, and also I think for the graphics, here is GPU is a RDNA2 2.2 GHz. So this is a very powerful GPU, AMD Radeon 680M. Yeah, display graphics. It support the light attract support, and FSR super display resolution. Yeah, so this is very powerful screen as well. And also besides this, we can go to the buttons. Yes, and this for the gaming, and it's a bit heavy as I mentioned, the big size, and without the detachable controllers is around 712 grams. This is around 862 grams. It's pretty heavy. We may hold it in our hand for a long time, but actually they do something good on the ergonomic design. It's very comfortable, like the key, like here the O, OB, LT, RB, RT buttons, and it's very nice and very comfortable. And like here, for the also for the joysticks, it's have a 18 degrees length degrees, and also the we press it, it's very comfortable response. It's 7.5 mm, and the length of the joysticks. And this is about the joystick, and also for the here, so LT, LB, RT, RB buttons, and this can also get a good response here. Yes, very comfortable and easy to press it. It's for the here for the shoulder, the keyboard gaps is 0.221 mm, and also this one LT1 is 8.1 mm. So this is also provide a very comfortable gaming experience for the users as well. And also we can check this angle here. This curved design also, when we hold it in our hand, we can also feel that it's very comfortable. Yeah, even we hold it on our hand for a long time. So this is the things I should mention for the gamers, it's very comfortable. Yeah. And also this I want to mention this time to provide two colors. It's black one and white one. Today we got white one, and this have a 32 GB RAM plus 1 TB ROM and 2 TB ROM, and it supports the 6400 MHz RAM frequency, and also it support PCIe SSD 3.2 3.0. Yeah. So this is also nice, and also it support PCIe 4.0 dock, and the reading speed and writing speed is pretty fast, around 2766 reading and 2752 writing. And yeah. And also I mentioned it's a big battery and fast charging speed, and also it can provide around video playing 9 hours, and standby for the basic office work around 10 hours, and also for the gaming is around 5.5 hours. So this was very good. And also this time for now we can hear the sound of the fan. They provide a smart cooling system. Yeah, they have a high-speed rotating cooling fans like the personal computer, and also the Cooper fiber around this place can bring the heat air from here to go out of the main body very fast. It's very comfortable, very cool. From here to here, yeah, works efficient. And also as I mentioned, the USB 3.0 or micro SD 4.0 makes this device support got lots of port. Yes, and also it can use as a station for the gamings. And the last I want to mention is that it have a built-in Windows 11, but also it's not only support the Windows 11, it also support the Windows 11. It also support the Ubisoft, Steam, and Epic games. So this is pretty nice for the gamers. Very powerful, and also for office, also for work. You can use this to handle your many office works. It can also be very nice as a work as a laptop or personal computer. Yeah. So this is the very quick and fast introduction about this device from Onexplayer. It's really powerful and very cool product. So what do you think of such device? And do you like to own one, or you think it's just have a exaggerated reputation or exaggerated functions? Or what do you think of it? You think the focus on gaming is best, or they do a cross from the both gaming and work? Which one is better? Let me know in comment. Thanks for watching. So this is today's video. Bye bye.